KRMN, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Looking at KRMN holdings, I see a 2% increase in price and actually not much data on the chart. You know, with the things that we have here, I've also gave you my prediction, and since then it's just delivering. Let me show you the proof. All right, this video was made 21 hours ago, and since I made it, right, it was at 29 bucks, right? I was looking to do what? Double down on this long side, and guess what happened? You know, it came back down, hovering inside this demand zone, and since slowly we just delivered. Observing this, I'll specifically mention that I'm still looking to double down on this long side. I'm open-minded for longs, but does not mean that I'm gonna just randomly long Tuesday, because like right now it's Friday, so I'm not even willing to, but Tuesday when we open, Monday is gonna be closed. But yeah, in the meantime, I'll keep waiting, and if you want to make more money trading in a very simple and lean way, you can click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, you know.